Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your birthday on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. First you want to click on your Bitmoji at the top left of your screen on Snapchat and it's going to take you to your Snapchat profile. From over here you can click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your setting page you can see the option called birthday. Click on birthday. Now from over here make sure you read this at the top where it says choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited numbers of time. So if you have crossed the limit, or like if you are above the limit on the birthday you can change because you changed your birthday like 4 or 5 times, then you cannot change it because you have crossed Snapchat's limit. But if you haven't crossed Snapchat's limit, then basically you can click on your birth date and at the bottom sliders will appear. You can change the birthday over here by choosing the date you want by sliding on the date and click and continue. Once you click and continue, your Snapchat's birth date will be changed. So that is how you guys can change your Snapchat's birth date. I don't want to change my birth date right now, so I'm not going to click and continue, but you have to click and continue in order to change it. And as I said, make sure to remember this, that you can only change it limited numbers of times, so don't try to just change it every single day. Alright, once you cross your limit you cannot change it again. Hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.